Ruvati 33-inch Workstation Ledge 50/50 Double Bowl Undermount 16-gauge stainless steel kitchen sink. If you're looking for a multi-purpose undermount kitchen sink, this should do it for you. Ruvati 33-inch Workstation Ledge 50/50 Double Bowl Undermount 16-gauge stainless steel kitchen sink comes with a cutting board which you can use to chop your vegetables before cooking them. The cutting board is made of African mahogany, so it won't be damaged by water. Apart from the solid wood cutting board, this sink also comes with a dish drying roll-up rack and a deep stainless steel colander. Made from 16-gauge stainless steel, this sink is stain and rust resistant, durable and easy to clean. The manufacturer has also created a soundproof sink, ensuring minimal noise when cleaning. Being a double bowl sink, cleaning of dishes will be so much easier. The double bowls offer you more cleaning space. You can place dirty dishes in one bowl and clean them in the other. It has a limited lifetime warranty and also comes with all mounting clips and a manual to make installation easy and fast.